Hi friends, I am Satish Kumar. In this video, we are going to learn about streams and IO streams. We are going to learn what is a stream, what are the different types of streams available, and what are the stream classes available in C++. So let's start. What is stream? Stream is nothing but flow of data between applications, devices, and drives, etc. How these data flows. For example, consider a block diagram. In this diagram, consider input device has keyboard and output device has monitor. If we enter some data on keyboard, then that data will be taken by program and it will be printed on monitor. In input operation, data or information flow from input source such as keyboard, file, network or another program into the program. In output operation, data or information flow from the program to output source such as monitor, network, printer, drives, etc. Let's consider one more example to understand stream. Consider two devices, computer and Android mobile. Here we can send files, documents, photos, videos from computer to mobile and mobile to computer by using any software applications. All mobile applications and social media applications are designed on concept of streams. One of the great strength of C++ is its iOS. C++ language designed and implemented in such a way that input-output facilities built into the language. If you know how to work with streams, then you can easily work with files, easily work with printers and easily work with displays because these are linked with streams with IO system. If we know functions and classes of streams, then we can easily work with printers, files, devices, drives, etc. iOS. iOS is known as input output stream. Here iOS is grandparent class and iStream, OStream are parent class which are derived from iOS. Here iStream is input stream which access data from any input source such as keyboard, network and give it to program. Here OStream is output stream which takes data from program and give it to output source such as printer drives. Stream buffer. Stream buffer is also a derived class of iOS, but it is a temporary memory block that is used to provide transformation of data between device and program. iOStream is a child class of iStream and OStream. It can be used for both input-output functions. iStream with assign is a stream class derived from iStream class and is used while providing input using scene object. Means iStream with assign can transfer data only in our device from keyboard to program. OStream with assign is a stream class derived from OStream class and is used while generating output using cout. Here OStream takes data from program and print it on monitor. And iOStream with assign is combination of both iStream with assign and OStream with assign. iOStream with assign can be used in both input-output functions. As we studied in C language, scanf is input function. In same way, in C++, cin is an object of the input stream and is used to take input from input streams like files, keyboard, etc. As printf is output function in C language, in same way cout is an object of output stream. It is used to show output.